In this video, we'll be checking the battery level lights on the throttle are functioning correctly. First, set both the key and handlebar switches to on. Remove the plastic tank cover. Next, set your multimeter to measure DC voltage on a setting of at least 100 volts. Connect the negative multimeter probe to the negative battery terminal, which is connected to a black battery wire. Identify the black plug with orange and grey wires leading from it and disconnect it. Touch the red multimeter probe to the orange wire, checking for your original battery voltage value recorded in step 1. Once testing is complete, reconnect the plug. Finally, disconnect the multimeter.